12th chapter, areas related to circuits. The first, what is meant by a sector? Can anyone tell?
The area between two regions and a particular segment area between a particular chord and the
Yes. Segment and sector difference is there. Sector can be defined as, in a circle, if you are taking two radii and arc, the region covered by the two radii and arc, this is called sector. The region, it is not a part of the circle. Part of the circle is arc. Yes, this arc is called part of the circle. Okay, and if it is making an angle of theta degrees, if it is making an angle of theta degrees, a complete angle how much? 360 degrees. So area of sector of an angle theta degrees is equals to theta degrees by 360 degrees into total area kitna hai? Pi r square hai na. So area of the circle pi r square. This is the area of the sector. Okay. Segment, when you are considering, what is meant by a segment? So if a chord is drawn like this, circle is taken and a chord is drawn like this, and this part is called a segment. And to find out the area of the segment, its corresponding sector area, we need to find out. So that is nothing but corresponding sector is nothing but if you are having a center here like this, if you are having a center like this, then this area of the segment is equals to area of sector. This is OAT. Do you know that how do we represent the sector? Sector को कैसे represent करते हैं? कैसे name देते हैं? With the 3 letters only. We are going to give the 3 letters only. This OAB लिख के ऊपर ऐसा कर्व लिखते हैं. कर्व लिख दिया तो हाँ ना sector we are mentioning na here. Arc also we are simply, if you are mentioning that here from these 3 points to 2 points, if you are taking 2 points, only 2 points we are taking here. A and B, if you are taking 2 points, AB लिख दिया है. Minor arc, major arc. 3 letters if you are taking with the including the center sector. Triangle, this sector area we have to subtract the area of the triangle. So we need to subtract the area of the triangle ABC. This area of the triangle ABC can be found out in different ways, if the depending upon the angle. If the angle is equals to here 60 degrees, the triangle becomes equilateral triangle. Okay, 60 degrees if it is given to you. So usually the questions will be given to you that either it is 60 degrees will be given to you, or it is given to you 120 degrees, or it is given to you 90 degrees. Suppose the problem is 60 degrees means equilateral triangle. So area of the triangle is root 3 by 4 a square. A is nothing but this radius. Radius will be given to you. Radius root 3 by 4. 60 degrees given means area of the triangle easily you can find. Area of the sector also you can find. If 120 degrees is given to you, then drop the perpendicular from here to here. Then these two triangles will become the congruent triangle by RHS congruency. 90 degrees if you are taking. 120 नहीं है, but in case if it is given to you 120 degrees, ये तो figure है ना, approximation है. Okay, so 120 नहीं है, but 120 नहीं होगा. 120 होने के लिए 90 degrees है approximately if you are seeing. But just if it is given to you 120 degrees, I am saying 120 degrees if it is given to you, drop the perpendicular from here. So it is going to get here 60 degrees. ये 60 degrees आ जाएगा. Okay. Yes, perpendicular, actually perpendicular line है वो angle bisector होगा. Why? Because this is an isosceles triangle. The triangle becomes an isosceles triangle. In an isosceles triangle where two sides are equal, these two sides are equal when you are taking A, B. So when you drop the perpendicular 90 degrees you are drawing, then RHS, ये hypotenuse equal है. This is common side and right angle. So RHS congruency use करते तो both the triangles are congruent. If both the triangles are congruent, the corresponding angles are equal. So the equal is nothing but angular bisector बन जाएगा. So 120 degrees को equally 60 degrees को divide करें. If this is 60 divide कर लिया. Okay. Next total 120. ये दोनों का सम कितना होगा? दोनों का सम 60 होगा. So that is nothing but we are going to get here 30 degrees, here 30 degrees. Then what is required to us to find out? ये find out करना. हमारे पास ये है. Trigonometry use कर लो. इसके regarding these two are there. For this angle, it is opposite hypotenuse. Sin 30 degrees use कर लो. So hypotenuse is with us. That is radius. Radius will be given to you. ये radius होगा ना, इधर radius है ना. So radius will be given to you. So this height we are going to get it as, can anyone say, sin theta. ये suppose if you are this angle, otherwise this angle is if you are taking theta by 2 होगा. ये theta दे दिया है, कुछ भी angle दे दिया. Whatever it may be the angle, if it is given to you, this angle is completely theta है. ये theta by 2 हो जाएगा. To this angle only, because this angle is not there with us. Let us, in case 120 degrees is given, means 30 हम लोग find out कर सकते हैं. Problem I am saying to you. But directly formula also you can extract. Formula को derive भी कर सकते हैं. इसका triangle area find out करने के लिए, if it is given to you theta degrees, ये theta बोल के दिया है तो, how do we extract it? This is what? Theta by 2. ये theta by 2. With respect to this, what is this one? Adjacent and hypotenuse. It is radius r. So cos theta by 2 is equals to, cos theta by 2 is equals to, adjacent is this one, which is we represent by the height h. So h into h by r. So h is equals to क्या आएगा? r into cos theta by 2 आएगा. H is equals to. Okay. This is theta you consider. If it is 120 degrees, it is, you understood, 60 हो गया. If this is completely theta given to you, whatever it may be the angle is given to you, whatever it may be the angle is given to you, you can find out like this. ये theta by 2 हो जाएगा. So this is not there with us. With respect, in this right angle triangle, with respect to this angle, this height will become, this is the height adjacent. ये height adjacent बन जाएगा. ये adjacent बन जाएगा ना. To this angle, adjacent by hypotenuse क्या है? Cos. So cos theta by 2 is equals to hypotenuse, this height by r. So from this h we got it r cos theta by 2. Okay. Same way to this, what is this one? Opposite side होगा. So ये find out करते हैं हम लोग. ये find out करें. इसको x मान लो suppose. You consider this as a x. So sin theta by 2 is equals to क्या है? Sin theta by 2 is equals to x by r. x by r है ना? From this x is equals to क्या आएगा? r sin theta by 2 आएगा. समझ में आ रहा है ना? Just I am giving the direct formula to find out in this situation if theta is given to you. Directly formula, because objective type of the questions है ना, थोड़ा time कम लेना है. ये सारा चीजें करने का जरूरत. Directly you can do that formula I am giving to you. Okay, but you need to know the original procedure also. One example problem also will be taken. Now what is the area of this triangle? Half into base कितना है? ये पूरा, ये कितना है? 2x होगा. ये x कंसीडर कर दिया तो पूरा कितना होगा? 2x होगा. Height, sorry, 2x and height. Yeah, 2 will get cancelled. Otherwise 2 let it be like that one. 2 let it be like that one. So what do we get here? This area of the triangle is equals to this area of triangle is equals to, which is making a theta degrees at the center, is equals to 1 by 2 into 2 into x क्या है r sin theta by 2, h क्या है r cos theta by 2. Okay. This r and r write together, r square by 2 into 2 sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2. आपके पास थीटा होगा ना, आपके पास द वैल्यू थीटा होगा ना. So actually this is equals to what, you know, you are going to learn in 11th class, sin theta by 2, 2 sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2 equal to sin theta होगा. In 11th class में आ जाएगा. This formula is directly 2 sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2 is equals to sin theta. This formula you are going to have, sin 2 theta is equals to 2 sin theta cos theta. ये फॉर्मूला. इधर थीटा ले लिया सपोज में, इधर बाई 2 हो जाएगा ना, 2 sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2 हो जाएगा. So that is nothing but, can I replace this one by the sin theta? So if it is r square sin theta by 2, ये फॉर्मूला डायरेक्ट. आपके पास r होगा रेडियस, थीटा नहीं, whatever it may, 120 degrees हो सकता है. Sir 120 if it is given, how do we do that? Suppose 120 degrees if it is given, how can we do that? Sin 120 degrees value. Sin 120 degrees कैसे find out करना? In that situation you take here 120, 2 sin 60 degrees cos 60 degrees. If you don't know, there is a way to find out the sin 120 degrees also, but that it may take the more time. समझ में आ रहा है ना? प्रॉब्लम किधर होगा ना, सपोज इफ इट इज गिवन टू यू 30 डिग्रीज, 30 डिग्रीज दे दिया तो आपको ये 15 हो जाएगा. इधर कितना होगा 15 हो जाएगा. वी डोंट नो द sin 15 value cos 15 value, but that 30 degrees if it is given to you here, if you are substituting directly you are going to get the answer. Sin 30 degrees, what is that you are going to get? Area of triangle only. This is the procedure to find out the area of triangle which is making an angle of theta degrees at the center. If it is given to you 15 degrees you are asking, usually will not, there is a way to us to find out trigonometry का. आप लोगों को पास 0 degrees, 30 degrees, 45 degrees, 60 degrees, 90 degrees ही only there, but there is a way to find out trigonometric table will be there as the logarithm table, like that every angle you can find out. Sin 15 degrees also will be there, sin 60 or 75 degrees also will be there. That you are going to learn in higher classes, but now in this standard will not be given to you. आपको इस एंगल कितना देता है ना, देता तो 30 डिग्रीज दे सकता है, 45 डिग्रीज दे सकता है, 60 डिग्रीज दे सकता है. These angles only will be given. 120 भी दे सकता है, 120 दे, 60 डिग्रीज दे दिया तो डायरेक्टली इक्विलैटरल ट्रायंगल कॉन्सेप्ट, 90 डिग्रीज दे दिया तो ये ट्रायंगल बिकम right angle triangle. So this is a base, this is a height. That is a base and height, both are r only. So half into base into height, half 1 by 2 r square in that situation. If it is 90 degrees is given, directly 1 by 2 r square लेना. Here 1 by 2 r square ही आएगा ना, sin 90 degrees, 90 degrees. 90 degrees दे दिया तो वैसे, 60 degrees दे दिया तो इक्विलैटरल ट्रायंगल. ये दोनों केसेस में आप डायरेक्टली, इससे ज्यादा इजी मेथड है वो. If it is given to you 120 degrees only, the problem raises. 120 degrees if it is given, 30 degrees if it is given. In case 30 degrees if it is given to you, 30 degrees दे दिया तो ये पूरा 30 degrees दे दिया तो इधर 75 इधर 75 हो जाएगा, ये 30-75 degrees. ऐसा वाला प्रॉब्लम भी नहीं है आपके पास, बट आई एम एक्सप्लेनिंग टू यू लिटिल बिट मोर टू यू, इन केस कन्वीनियंट के लिए आपको ये एक्सप्लेन करती हूँ. Is it clear to you? How do we find out the area of the triangle and area of the sector? Did you understand, beta?
Yes, sir.